Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be making a single strand trilobite paracord bracelet. It's going to be more of watching and less of talking. This is my first trilobite paracord I'm making. Alright, let's jump right into the tutorial. Start from the tip. We'll measure about a foot. Okay, so we'll go ahead and the next strand is going to be maybe 5 or 4 inches longer than the first one. So this is about, say, 18 inches. So from here we bring this one back this way. Alright, so we'll start the weaving. So make sure that the short cord stays in the middle. Okay, so the loose cord stays on the left. Now this goes into, this is the loose cord. Alright, so you pass it through this hole here, you pull that through. Okay, now you leave that little loop over there. Alright, and now it comes back this way into the middle one. Rather, I think I should use the head so that you're not be mistaken. So this goes this way and comes out this way. Okay, so pull all the way to the end. Okay, keep pulling that, keep pulling. Alright, so here we go. So you want to push this to the very end, make it very tight, as tight as you can. Okay, now you pull on the side. Yeah, pull it close to the top as much as you can. Alright, this is the first part. Okay, so next, the loose end is back on the left, so it goes under the left one, over the middle, and out to the right. You pull that, then you push. Make sure your cords are very tight. Your knots rather is very tight and close to the end as much as you can. Okay, alright, so we'll make the third one. So the loose end is on the right now. It comes back this way, passes to the right, goes under the middle and over the left. Yeah. Let me cut this at the middle. So this is it, guys. You leave about 1.5 inch. Okay, ensure that your working cord is on the right. The middle loop, you bend the middle cord rather, you bend it like so. You can see I've already cut the two ends. So this right goes over the right, underneath the middle. Same thing, it's just that you have two cords running through the middle and out this way. Okay, goes back around the left, down this way and out. Okay, so you push this just same way you've been doing. Push it, make sure it's nice and tight. Now the working cord comes out and into this loop in the middle and down. Okay, so you pull the middle loop underneath. You pull that, make sure it's nice and tight. Alright, so after singeing, now this two cords running through, you want to pass it out through this. So let's bond the ends. Okay, you can use a paracord feed. You can also try to make this end sharp enough to pass through. Okay, so I think I'm going to be using a paracord feed to do that. If you notice, I already opened one, so just pass this through. Okay, then use this feed to open the next one. Okay, pass that through. Yeah, this is it. I will make a stopper knot here, and that's the end of it. So keep watching. Into the loop. If you've been watching my tutorials, you would know that I do not like to waste paracord for any reason. I don't like wasting. Okay, so pull the ends like so. Alright, so cut off the excess and singe. Alright, cut both of them. I think this is too long. Cut off some excess. Yeah. So we see the end. Okay. Press this down. Alright. That's the end.